Alright, so the purpose of this lab is to make a distance time graph. So Mr. Shuli is going to show you how to collect distance and time, and we're going to eventually see if the ball in this ramp accelerates or not. Okay?
Okay, so we have a little marble right here and an inclined plane, which we have a ramp set up on a book. And we are going to roll the marble down the ramp to see if it is accelerating. But to make it a little easier to identify if the marble is accelerating, I am going to start my metronome, which is clicking pretty much once every second. And each time that clicks, I am going to put a piece of blue clay down where the marble is. So as the marble rolls down the ramp, I will put a piece of blue clay every time it clicks. And then we'll see what type of pattern we form to see if we can tell if the marble is accelerating. I'm going to start with one where I'm going to start the marble. And then on 3 we'll start. 1, 2, 3.
That was way better than I would have done.